Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with disk partitions. The issue arises when trying to back up both the partitions and their labels in one go. We've seen how the sfdisk command can back up the partition table, but it doesn't include the partition labels, which leaves us wanting more. It's a real head-scratcher, isn't it? Now, let's explore the solution to this problem. Remember, with a DOS, MBR, partition table, storing partition labels isn't supported. The label column in commands like lsblk and bulkid actually contains file system metadata labels, not the partition labels. If you're looking to create fresh, empty partitions, you can use the sfdisk command to specify the partition layout, followed by using mkfs to create the file systems with their respective labels. It's like planting seeds in a well-organized garden. In summary, dealing with disk partitions can be a bit tricky, especially when trying to back up both the partitions and their labels. While sfdisk helps with partition tables, it doesn't include the labels. By using commands like mkfs, we can create new partitions with the desired labels. And just like that, you're all set to conquer the world of disk management. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite disk management hack. Happy partitioning!